Hi, I'm David Cihelna, and I'm a technical director, and I run a studio called Pyramid 3. The workshop was called Unlocking C++ in Unreal Engine. It was about getting started with C++ in Unreal Engine, in the game engine, figuring out how to code, how to set up the code environment, how to build like a basic kind of resource manager, and how to then code your own project. It's always fun to work with a lot of students, and obviously a lot of them were beginners in C++, so you have to start from the beginning and maybe use a few LLM tools so that it makes it a bit easier for them, but then everybody had kind of like their own project that they wanted to work on and make improvements on the code. That we had like a sample project together, and they could see how everything was coded, how everything fits together with the engine, and use that to build on top of their own knowledge.